Hi and welcome to Sunny Says. Thank you for watching this video. I always appreciate all my viewers. Today and as always, I review only things that I've tried and I have experienced or someone close to me has experienced. So you can depend on all these reviews. Nobody's paying me for this, so I'm kind of doing it just out of the goodness of my heart. Okay, so today I'm going to review a meal replacement powder, and I did a lot of research on this, and this one seems to have the best overall options that we need in a meal replacement. As you can see, I have given all the statistics right there. It has 20 grams of protein, right? And it says, I think 8 grams of fiber, and it's got 10 organic vegetables and fruits. So, and this is vanilla bean, but I really like their chocolate flavor. They have vanilla bean and chocolate, so I buy it, of course, from Amazon. Where else, right? And also, I mean, one of the things about this is it's vegan, it's dairy free, it's soy free, it's gluten free, it's lactose free, it's kosher, it's non-GMO. It's everything that's good in there. So highly recommend this. And one of the other things that I like about it is it's got no added sugar. And I think sugar, as far as I can see, is just 1 gram for every 2 scoops. So you need 2 scoops in every meal. So what I do is I take 2 scoops of this, and they have like a measurement thing in there, and I pour them into like either almond milk or whatever you prefer, even water for that matter, and it tastes really good, really good. And I'm not kidding. Okay, a lot of people, I've tried other ones, they clump, they do all kinds of stuff in your drink. Some taste disgusting, and you're expected to believe that that's good for you because it's healthy. But no, this one tastes good too. Okay, trust me on this one. No artificial colors, no flavors, no preservatives. Okay, also no preservatives. Great, and mixed with water, anything you want to mix it with. Lactose, if you're lactose intolerant, almond milk. And it's available in Amazon for $29.99 for 2 pounds, which I think lasts for about a month, and I think pretty good. I think it has about 220 calories per serving. That's about 110 calories per scoop, and I think this is they also have, I've not tried other products, but they also have protein powders and superfoods and other things. So and over the I also when I do my research, I also look at if there are any lawsuits on them, anything that has come out from the FDA, and these people don't. These people have nothing on there. So and there are other meal replacement programs that I've tried, and I don't want to take names or kind of malign somebody else, but essentially this one has all good things about it. You can Google it if you want, and if you're interested in buying this, I have put a link in the description below, and please if you do buy, use my link, because it gives me affiliate commissions from Amazon, and it doesn't, the price for you is the same, so you don't lose anything from it, and it helps me keep doing these reviews. So thank you again, and this time it's the organic meal from Orgain. Please buy and support us. Subscribe to the channel, I'm trying not to do anything jazzy or anything like that. Just simple videos with reviews. Okay. Thank you. And that's what Sunny says. Bye.